Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use Audacity to record your voice, remove noise, and also increase the tempo of your voice. Maybe you want your voice to sound more deeper. So I'm going to be showing you all of those things. If you are new on my channel, you've not subscribed, man, join the family now. Join the community of great people. So click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you will know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. This channel provides you with information on how to grow your business, tools that can help you to grow your business, and also how to make money online. So if you want to make money online, if you really want to make money online, smash the button and let's begin. All right, let's dive in. So this is Audacity on my system. So I'm gonna do the record now so that you will see, and I will edit it. So let's see. Edit. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun. If you're new here, you have not subscribed, you want to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell to know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. Thank you. You get that? You can see that. So if I want to remove the noise there or anything that is not really too good, so I can remove it. So let me play if it's gonna play. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Seun. If you're new here, so what I'm gonna
Hello,
do now
welcome to my
is
YouTube channel.
I'm gonna first pick the noise. Okay, so let's assume that this place is the noise part. So I'm gonna mark it like this. Then copy here, effect, click on noise, reduction, generate noise profile. After generation, I'll click on it, Control A to highlight everything. Then click on effect again, click on noise reduction, click OK. So watch this space. You can see it has removed something there. So anywhere that sound noisy is going to remove them all. So again, you can also do it again by clicking reduction. It's going to reduce them. You see that? You can click it again until you're good to go. You see that it's okay. Okay, so let's say it's okay like this. Then let's assume that when you were trying to do the record, you made a mistake somewhere. So if you made a mistake, let's assume this thank you don't need it. So you just do it this way and then click on delete. Now that one is not there again. Take this one, delete. Yeah, you can take this one out, delete. You can take this part, delete. So if you want to add more tempo to your voice, you want it to sound more bass, more thicker, so Control A, effect, and change pitch. So you can make it minus 18, minus 7. Okay, okay. So if you play it, to see the sound has changed.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube
You see
channel.
that?
My name is Seun.
So
If you're
if you
new
are
here, you have
not
not
yet
subscribed.
satisfied, you can also increase
Hello,
it
welcome
again
to
and
my
again.
YouTube channel.
So that will be the end of this video. I want to make it short for you guys to understand. So if you are yet to subscribe, you want to do that. And please, if you like this kind of video I'm making, give these videos a thumbs up, and so that other people that need such video can see it. Okay guys, so if you really want to make money online, you want to click on the next video you're going to be seeing on your screen right away. Peace.